Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites. Check the computer's date and time because an incorrect clock breaks certificate chains. Next, disconnect VPNs or proxies. They can intercept secure traffic and trigger privacy errors. Once done, restart Chrome and open an incognito window. This quickly isolates extensions. If the error disappears, an extension or profile setting caused it. These first steps eliminate common environmental causes, so you can move to certificate and network fixes. Now inspect the certificate chain. Click the padlock in the address bar and view the certificate details to see issuer, validity dates, and any name mismatches. If a corporate or malformed certificate appears, you'll know the cause. Then, clear HSDS entries for the site via Chrome, /netinternals/#HSDS when stale pinning blocks you. Also, disable antivirus HTTPS scanning briefly. Security suites sometimes re-sign traffic and present untrusted certs. These deeper checks finish by removing any incorrectly installed CA certificates from the OS certificate store or keychain, then reinstall only trusted certificates. This restores proper trust. If that fails, reset Chrome settings or create a fresh profile to eliminate corrupted state. Once you've done that, test the site again. If the privacy error persists, use another browser to confirm the issue is server-side, and contact the website administrator to reissue or fix their TLS certificate. One tip: keep screenshots and certificate details when you ask for help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.